Hi, welcome to Lesson 3. My name is Babette. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun. This is kind of a fun lesson. So if you don't already have your violin with you, please pause this video and go get it right now. It should be right here with you. We're going to use it in a minute. Okay? Great. Now I have my violin and you have yours. Some viewers may not know where F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp are. So we're going to kind of show you how to find the notes in the first position on your violin. It's in an order. Remember, I told you there's an orderliness to everything, and this is one of those things. The notes are always in order. The musical scale, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it starts all over again. So it's going from lower to higher, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on, right? Now our violin, the lowest string is a G, so the next note then is going to be an A, because once you get to G, you start all over again with A. What if the violin only had one string, and that string was the G string? How easy would it be to play everything going from here all the way up here? And that's what we're going to do right now. You get your violin and put it in the playing position, and just do the best you can. That's what I'm going to do. And we're going to start by playing open A, open G, and first finger A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Wow, that went way up the fingerboard. Do you think it'd be really easy to play a song like that? I sure don't. Maybe that's why we have 4 strings on a violin. But do you know we have the exact same notes that we just played going up our fingerboard, spread out over those 4 strings. So what we've got, you can play along with me, so let's get your violins up there in playing position. Okay, we can play G, first finger A, second finger B, third finger C, then we cross over to the open D string, first finger E, second finger F, third finger G, cross over to the A string, open A, first finger B, second finger C, third finger D, open E string, first finger F, second finger G, third finger A, and fourth finger B. So did you get that? We went G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. The exact same notes that we just had played before going up the G string. Now, what we didn't use this time was our fourth finger. What if we went G, first finger A, second finger B, third finger C, fourth finger would then be D. That's the same D as your open D. And then we go first finger E, second finger F, third finger G, fourth finger A. That's the same A as the open A. First finger B, second finger C, third finger D, fourth finger E. That's the same E as the open E. First finger F, second finger G, third finger A, and fourth finger B. Okay? So now you have a way to be able to find the notes. Now in a minute, I'm going to show you the worksheet, and you'll pause the video and write down on the piece of paper the answers. And what we're asking for is how you play certain notes. For example, the very first note that I give you is a C, and I say that there are two of them. Where are those C's? One way we can find out is by going to our G string, G, first finger A, second finger B, third finger C. Well, that's one of them. Third finger on G is a C. We can keep going. D, first finger E, second finger F, third finger G. Nope, wasn't on the D string. A, first finger B, second finger C. Well, there it is. There is the second C in the first position, the second finger on the A string. So what you're going to write down is third finger on the G, second finger on the A. Okay? I will be back. Okay, now let's go over the worksheet for the first position notes on the violin. And the question was, what finger and string can you play the following notes on? The first one, C, there's two of them, so that'll be third finger on the G string and second finger on the A string. G, there are three of them, so open G, third finger on the D, second finger on the E. D, three of them, fourth finger on the G, open D, and third finger on the A. A, four of them, first finger on G, fourth finger on D, open A, and third finger on E. E, three of them, first finger on D, fourth finger on A, and open E. B, three of them, second finger on G, first finger on A, fourth finger on E. And F, two of them, second finger on D, and first finger on E. Now for the review questions. If you're playing in the key of D, how many sharps are there, and what are they? There are two sharps in the key of D, and they are, in order, F sharp and C sharp. And question 2. How do you use your fingers on the violin to find the sharps? Well, you use your second finger, starting on the F sharp on the D string, and then move that second finger to the next higher string, which is the A string, and that second finger position is C sharp, and then you move it again to the next higher string, the E string, and the second finger position is the G sharp.